heading to the airport, so obviously here, and I'll try and give you some pretty nice cinematography kind of, okay, can't say it's like pretty precise cinematography shots, so the entire trip looks really cool, you know those famous YouTubers that you watch that do those kind of clips. I'm going to try and do that because they look pretty cool. Right guys, we're in the airport right now. We just had a small sandwich from a cafe over there, and we're going to be going to board the plane pretty soon, like in 5 minutes time. In the plane I can maybe show you what our seat looks like, something like that. Obviously I don't want to show too much because it's too much hassle, but I mean it's probably going to be the same as last time, the plane that we came in, so you can go check out that vlog. I'll leave it in the card above along with all the other vlogs that I made. And this might be the last one of the season, but who knows. I'll see you in a second. I swear every time we go and try and check in, like board the plane, we're like, no, you're not allowed. And then they call sort of the area that we're in, no, you're not allowed. And then they call families and you say, no, you're not allowed. It's just... Okay guys, this is the TV, I've got a remote, the chair that I'm sat in, I mean it is pretty tight, so like an example, just like that chair there, pretty much what all of them are like. It's like economy class, so it's pretty tight. Right guys, we are home. This is pretty much going to be the end of the vlog, so I do hope you enjoyed it. We are back from all the traveling. I'm pretty tired right now. I want to go and have a shower, I want to go to sleep. I also want to have breakfast, so do all that jazz. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and the entire sort of England, UK trip vlogs. And this is going to be the last vlog of season 1, guys. So season 2 begins with the next vlog that comes after this, which I will be filming today because this sort of spanned over 2 days, as sort of we started the vlog yesterday and we sort of had a little bit of it today, but the main today vlog is going to be mainly the haul and stuff like that, so you can stay tuned for that on the channel. In the next couple of days it should be out. So yeah guys, subscribe, turn notifications so you're notified for any season 2 vlogs, and the season 2 vlogs should be like they should be like much better than these vlogs. I'm not saying that these are bad, but like these are going to be much better, improved. So if you like this vlog, then you should love those vlogs. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video because I'm really tired right now, and this is your boy AK signing off. Peace out.